A journey from downfalls to triumph, the power of private franchising. Once upon a time in a bustling city, lived Alex, a hard-working individual who toiled tirelessly at various hourly wage jobs. Each job seemed promising at first, offering a steady income, but the path was fraught with downfalls that tested Alex's resilience and determination. Chapter 1: The Illusion of Stability. In the beginning, Alex found solace in the stability of hourly wage jobs. However, the pain of being tied to a fixed income became evident when unexpected expenses arose. Medical bills, car repairs, and family emergencies pushed Alex into a cycle of financial stress, highlighting the limitations of hourly wages. Chapter 2: Stagnant Growth. As years passed, Alex realized that the promise of financial growth was elusive. Hourly wages barely kept up with rising costs of living, leaving no room for savings or personal advancement. The pain of not seeing hard work translate into tangible progress weighed heavily on Alex's aspirations. Chapter 3: Unpredictable Schedules. The unpredictability of hourly wage jobs wreaked havoc on Alex's work-life balance. The pain of irregular schedules made it nearly impossible to plan family events or pursue personal interests. The constant juggling of responsibilities led to exhaustion and strained relationships. Chapter 4: Limited Autonomy. Alex's innovative ideas were often stifled in the rigid structure of hourly wage jobs. The pain of not having the autonomy to make decisions or drive change hindered personal growth and stifled creativity. The desire for ownership and control over one's destiny grew stronger. Chapter 5: Absence of Job Security. The fragility of job security became apparent when Alex faced sudden layoffs due to company downsizing. The pain of losing a job without warning and struggling to find new employment cast a shadow of uncertainty over the future. The realization dawned that the pursuit of stability was an illusion. Chapter 6: The Dawn of Transformation. In the midst of adversity, Alex discovered the world of private franchising. The pain of past downfalls fueled a determination to chart a new path. Private franchising promised a way out of the hourly wage cycle, offering the ultimate solution to the pains endured. Chapter 7: Embracing Empowerment. As a private franchisee, Alex experienced a remarkable transformation. The pain of financial instability was replaced by the satisfaction of owning a business. The growth potential was exponential, and the ability to diversify income streams eliminated the fear of unforeseen expenses. Chapter 8: Thriving in Autonomy. Private franchising granted Alex the autonomy that was previously missing. The pain of being stifled by bureaucratic chains was replaced by the joy of implementing creative ideas and strategies. The business flourished, reflecting Alex's passion and dedication. Chapter 9: Building a Legacy. Through private franchising, Alex not only achieved financial success but also created a lasting legacy. The pain of not having control over one's destiny was transformed into a sense of accomplishment and pride. The family business thrived, offering opportunities for future generations. Chapter 10: The Triumph of Private Franchising. With unwavering determination, Alex had risen from the ashes of hourly wage struggles. The pain of downfalls had given way to triumph through private franchising. It was a story of transformation, resilience, and the realization that choosing the path of entrepreneurship can truly change lives. In this engaging tale, the pain of working for hourly wages serves as a backdrop for the transformation brought about by private franchising. It highlights how embracing ownership, autonomy, and the potential for growth can turn downfalls into triumphs, ultimately leading to a brighter and more prosperous future.